Good morning, guys. I know everyone's getting excited about these markets. Bitcoin market cap is continuing to rise. That means millions of dollars are flooding into Bitcoin in the consolidation. So as this is happening, we are starting to see some of the altcoins start to pick up here. We've got Matic up close to about 1%. We're going to go over that today. But coins like Avalanche, guys, we did a video on this showing how the market cap was going up. This thing has exploded, and this is going to be looking like our 111th win in a row. So we've won 110 trades in a row. This will be our 111th. I'm in this trade with you guys, so watch for my call here for when we exit AVAX Avalanche, probably today or tomorrow. Get a membership in the description if you guys want to trade with us, because I will be calling out the next entry when I get back in here when we close it. But let's get into Matic today, and let's take a look at this. Now, overall market is looking really good, and we are sitting at this position right now, which we've been talking about. It's a very crucial moment here. We've got a descending resistance line, and we have just now broken it this morning. Okay, we broke this, and we're seeing some other signs here. So let's go over this and talk about where Matic can go. Diving in, retail trader indicators, stochastics just turned red. We're seeing majority of these indicators going green. So this morning, I like that we have already broken above the descending resistance. There are some people, I guarantee you guys, who still have open short trades or are still going to short this market because they're thinking this is going to move back down. Okay. All I want to say is, guys, this has been such a long time in the making that if you are shorting, just be a little careful, because here's the thing, guys. When trend exhaustion is high and well money flow is high with these two indicators, when we see this in the past, and let's just take a look at the last time we got high on both of these. Yes, we did end up seeing a move back down. Previous time, trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. Yes, we did end up seeing a move back down, and we are seeing this about 75 to 80% of the time with accuracy, 75 to 80% accuracy. We are seeing this literally call the drops before they happen, okay? But hold on. Just because you guys can do this and you guys can make really good money, and that's really awesome, and you guys can spot divergence when money flow is moving out here, trend exhaustion is moving out, and at the same time we have a double top or a higher high, you need to watch for crashes in the market, okay? Watch the masterclass I just did on this on our website. It's Masterclass 8. But here's the thing. At some point, you are going to see a short trap in this market, and this is a perfect time for a short trap to happen, and the indicators need to be pushed up here to get people excited about shorting in order for us to get a short squeeze or a short trap and then blow this thing back up and actually just hit one ridiculous bull market cycle that could be coming here in quarter two. All right, so just because this is high, yes, this is looking like a decent place to look to take some shorts, but since we've already broken this, guys, I would be patient on this. Remember, 75 to 80% of the time, there's going to be times where you're looking at about 20 to 25% where they may not be as accurate as you want them to be. But these are the indicators we are using to call exits, and I will be using these on the AVX exit as well. So make sure you guys snag these. Literally, those of you guys who are coming in here, and all of you guys who ended up watching this, when we're in the anxious section over here for Matic, you guys look down here, trend exhaustion was in the bottom red section, well money flow was low. Anybody who took these scalping trades that I've taught you guys on this channel for 3 to 4%, you guys have already made your percentage. Let me show this real quick, and we'll move over to the metrics. So great job for everybody who's taken 3 to 4% out of the market. You've already made your scalping wins. Good job, everybody. Okay, we're looking for this to come back into the profit. Once we get to about this structure higher, a little bit higher, I'll be calling an exit in Telegram, so make sure you guys are watching that. All right, how do you guys get into Telegram, and how do you access these metrics? Watch this. Go to the pricing. It's just simple. We have one pricing. It's $95 a month, guys. All the metrics to all of our coins you will get access to, the Telegram channel, where I'm going to call the Avalanche exit for you guys, as well as I will tell you exactly when I'm getting back into Avalanche, so you can copy every move I make. I literally just had that song come to my mind. I'm not going to sing it. Okay. Masterclass videos you guys will get access to, as well as the inner circle. We're going to go live next month all together as a family, and we'll be looking at the markets together. Okay. Real quick, I want to give you guys an update on the account. We're sitting at 125,000, almost 126,000. This Monday, when we started this week, we were at 118,000. So we've gone up here about round this to 6,000. We've gone up about $8,000 in this account since about Sunday, Monday of this beginning week. And we've hardly done any type of moves up. Like, look at the overall market. Wait until we really start seeing some moves up. So when I tell you guys we're going to be experiencing tens of thousands of dollars of account growth, it really is going to happen. 150,000 for us is break even, so everyone knows that. Okay, now let's look into this and get more in depth. Guys, the metrics we've been using a lot lately. Like, you guys are probably seeing the YouTube shorts come out. We're doing this more on what is it called? TikTok and Instagram, the metrics are helping us. This is how we actually called the move up here for Avalanche. Okay, let's go to Matic. Take a look at this, guys. Metrics going to update here at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is in about 10 minutes here. So we are seeing that this is pushed into the neutral section here, which is, great. We're not super high, we're not super low, so we're still sitting neutral. Moving down here, we can see market cap is jumping. This is good, guys. This is a bullish sign for everybody in Matic. What you don't want to see, which is on some coins, is price going up and market cap continuing to go back down. All right? When that happens, it means, oh, cool, the price is going up, but people are literally taking their money out of that coin and putting it in other altcoins. Not a bullish sign. This is a good sign for everybody watching this. Money is flowing into Matic. So this is another reason why I don't necessarily think short trades may be the best decision right now, because this may just blast through this. Now, we are seeing over here that the metric is calling out a good short trade. This makes sense. A descending resistance at this structure at an overbought area. This is a classic place to short. So if you guys are going to short, make sure you use different buy limits. I would say at least 3 different buy limits here. If you're going to market order in right now, use 3 more buy limits at really strong resistances in case this thing starts moving back up. I think the best play in the market right now, guys, is let this thing maybe come back down a little bit further and get set up for the long trades. Okay? Again, well-institutional smart money. I know this says over here that they've been buying, and they have, and they are making their money already. But we've seen this come out here today saying short trades could start taking over. So watch this. This is something that could happen as short trades start moving down. It's a very hard call today. It's why it's a crucial moment, is because we have metrics that show us, look, it's already heading down just a little bit as we're talking here. So as it starts dipping down here a little bit more, we could see a little bit of retracement, but that retracement could just be a higher low formation in order to create a higher high and absolutely just short squeeze this market for a move back up. So watch these metrics here. As you guys are watching this, watch to see if we dip back down here and trades in favor closer to good long trades. Watch the emotional index dip back down. If it does go down into anxious section, great time to be buying. Okay, let's continue. We've got some more metrics here for you guys. Resistances. 154 and the support is going to be 133. So that's right about here. We're going to be probably heading up to here. If we break anything here and Bitcoin starts seeing a rally, we're probably going to easily see 154 as a resistance. Okay. As far as entries for you guys, all my diamond hand hodlers out there, you have done amazing by getting into this market and just holding here. You guys will probably see some great profits here. A descending triangle pattern is one of the most bullish patterns in all of crypto. I think a 50% retracement on this is not unlikely in Q2. Okay, so that is March, April, May, and June. April, May, and June, because the first quarter ends at January, February, March, 3 months. Okay, so April, May, and June, I don't doubt if we could see a push up here to at least a 50% retracement, which will be a ton of money for you guys joining us on these trades. And I'll show you how to get into a trade right now here, because that's what a lot of people follow us for. They see the thumbnail and they're like 110 wins in a row. Yeah, guys, we literally have 110. You can follow the Telegram channel. Once you're in there, look at all the party hats and you'll see with date stamps all the wins that we've taken. So next time the market starts going up here, you guys will see another red bar, and we want to watch that for a possible drop back down. So just be aware of that. Okay, let me get you guys into a trade setup. Scroll straight down here and you're going to see the entries, but I'm going to go over this on Bitcoin today, okay, because I want to keep it private for our members. Here's all of our coins. You guys can see this on the front page. Come here. We put the ticker in front so you guys can search it, just a little bit easier for those of you guys who are new. But let's come down here. I did a Bitcoin video today, so make sure you guys do watch that. It's still looking bullish, by the way. Here's what you guys are going to do. 4 yellow lines. You guys are going to literally see 4 yellow lines on our chart for Matic today. You're going to see one settlement. Choose the amount that you want to enter in with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions, $250 each. Place $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you choose. If you have 4,000, it'll be 1,000 at each buy limit. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up a settlement in green. This is obviously going to be green up here. I don't have a green marker. But once you guys get into the first buy limit, set up a settlement in green in case we skyrocket overnight. Now, if you guys want to do this, follow me in Telegram, because I am in this trade with you guys right here for all of the hundreds of people who are in this. If you get in right now and that buy limit gets hit, I'm not going to exit this thing until we are in the profit. Let me give you guys an example here of where you guys can look to exit. I'm not exiting at least until this structure high. So you're going to be doing about close to 29 to 30% profit if you just get into this trade here and you guys follow me in Telegram. That is what you guys can do. I'm doing all the hard work for you guys. We're looking at the charts. I have a team, like literally my team looks at these charts. We're analyzing these charts. We do all the heavy lifting. You guys Come in with the indicators, do analysis yourself, have fun with it, but know that we're going to be calling this out. We have the highest win rate on all of YouTube, and we're giving you guys this chance to follow us over here and copy what we're doing. So with that said, make sure you guys are in the Telegram channel because I'm calling exits with the indicators, okay? So that membership I showed you guys, make sure you're signed up with this because we're going to start winning trades in this bull market, and it's going to go fast, okay? Some people who had our membership and they're like, oh, you know, we're going down here, guys, get back on board. This is going to go fast, okay? So indicators over here. Let me quickly mention this and then we'll end this video. You guys are able to get our indicators right now 84% off. I'm unshamefully doing a sales pitch on this because we will never have this lower than this again. So when you guys watch these videos and you're like, wow, yeah, it is true. When the trend exhaustion is high and the well money flow is high, yeah, you're right. The market literally does go down. And here's all you're looking for. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. You're looking for these moves back down in the market. You can see here, we're not cherry picking anything, guys. The markets will move with these indicators here. When you start pushing the top red sections, well money flow high, you need to look for the market to drop. And then when the market is low here, trend exhaustion low, well money flow low, you need to look for moves back up. Guys, start making money with these metrics in here. It's pretty ridiculous. Real quick, I know I'm going to pause you guys here. Look at this dude over here that said this testimonial. We've got this guy. He said, just closed my Ethereum trade and made $7,000 since March 1st. My balance went from 80K on February 1st to 120K today. I owe it all to you by simply following your advice on the daily basis. That's what we're talking about in these videos. I have your indicators and feel like a god now. We are giving you guys an opportunity to be like, I don't want to say a god. That's stretching it too far for me. But you guys are able to get into some pretty sweet analysis and some entries. And you guys are also able to follow me on here. So get the bundle pack, guys. This is the lowest we'll have it. So don't feel like you're going to miss out. Once we pass the 31st, it's going to go back up in price. Okay, it literally will go back up in price, and so we're not going to do this for a little while. It is the Black Friday sale we had last year. This is as low as we're ever going to go, so snag that. You'll get all 9 of our indicators here that you see. There's videos for each of these. We jokingly call this the jackpot indicator. We've got 2 Forex indicators that have never been coded on TradingView before that you guys will love over here. And even the 3 that we're using to never lose trades, these are the ones right here you guys are going to get. It is actually cheaper right now to get the bundle pack than buy these individually. So it is just ridiculous deal. You guys get the source code to the indicators. The source code you guys get. No one's doing this. We're giving you the source code, and it's a one-time purchase, so make sure you guys snag those. All right, guys, I'll leave it there. Make sure you're getting the membership. We're going to start winning more trades. Look out for our 111th win in a row on AVAX very soon, and I will be calling that out in the Telegram channel. God bless you guys. Have an amazing day. Crypto is looking like it's going to start moving up here, so watch this, possibly a target. I would say by next week we could be hitting 170 if we start seeing more bullishness into the market, but watch for this higher low and then look for the explosion that could be happening on Matic. But this is overall looking really good. Links to everything you guys need are in the description, and I pinned it to the first comment of this YouTube video. I'll see you guys later. This is getting really exciting. Don't miss out, guys. Get in here and I'll call the trades for you, and let's start making some money. All right, we'll see you guys. Bye-bye.